I'm gonna start taping down where the baseboards are. There's carpet here and it meets up with the baseboard. So that's something that's not always the easiest. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that, or how I tape where the bottom of the baseboard meets the carpet. All right, so I'm gonna be putting the tape where it meets the carpet. So I'm gonna put the tape just a little bit on the baseboard, as you can see here, and then I'm gonna tuck it. So you've gotta just kind of tuck it down, and then it goes tight. You see how that is? You kind of go and you tuck it down all along here, and then that's how you get it tight. That's how you get it. So then once we brush, we're gonna make sure the thicker portion's up here, and then you don't want to paint too heavy down at the bottom because it always wants to seep through. So you're still gonna paint it, and then once you're done, while it's a little bit wet, pull it up. You're good to go. Boom. I know a lot of you might have that question because I learned this by looking it up on YouTube also. So there you go, taping off carpet to baseboard.